cooking show.
I'm Rohan,
And I'm Kai.
and today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies on steroids.
And this is what you need. 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 2 eggs.
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 cups of flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 cups of chocolate chips.
Oi! And so first we're gonna add the flour,
Brown
sugars,
sugar and the white sugar. We're going to pour it in.
eggs,
Butter.
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Add the salt and the baking soda.
Now before you add the chocolate chips, you gotta mix it in. Don't eat too many.
Or you could just use your hands. Really have to melt that butter through.
Good thing you wash your hands.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the texture. So good. And before you add the chocolate chips, it should look like this.
Is it ready?
I reckon you could chuck it in now.
Alright.
The most important part, got to get all of them in.
Is it ready?
No,
And
but do you want to try the cookie
Yeah.
dough?
Yum.
Okay, Kai, let's do it.
So first you got to make it into a ball.
I think that should be ready now.
We want to try and make it tight around the outside so the cookie doesn't just smother all over the tray.
You should already have your oven preheated to 180 Celsius. Alright, put it in the oven.
Whoa. Oh my god, it's huge. Oh, it's huge.
And there you have it, chocolate chip cookie on steroids. Let's plate it up.
I'm not joking when I say this is the yummiest cookie ever.
It's so good. You couldn't buy a cookie this good. You could only make it at home.
Agree.